Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable and use the ultra-wide camera on Snapchat using your iPhone. If you've got an iPhone with multiple camera lenses, this is a super easy trick that gives your snaps a whole new perspective. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone and go to the camera screen like you normally do when taking a photo or video. Now use 2 fingers to zoom out on the screen, just pinch outward as if you're zooming out. If your iPhone supports ultra-wide, you'll notice the view zooms out much wider than normal. That's your ultra-wide lens in action. On some iPhones, Snapchat might show zoom levels right on top of the shutter button, like 0.5x, 1x, or 2x. Just tap on 0.5x to instantly switch to the ultra-wide lens. Keep in mind this only works on iPhones that have an ultra-wide camera like iPhone 11 and later models. If you don't see the zoom option or can't zoom out, your iPhone might not support ultra-wide on the Snapchat app. And that's it. Now you can capture super wide shots, fit more into your frame, and give your snaps a more cinematic feel, all without leaving the app. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.